Okay, so this is January 2020, question number 1. Question number 1A says, using a calculator or otherwise, calculate the exact value of the following. All right, well, one of the first thing I would do here is I would convert all mixed numbers to improper fraction. One of the first things I would do is I would convert all mixed numbers to improper fraction. So if I do that, 5 times 4 is 20 and 1. This is 21 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 3 minus 4 ones 4 and 1, 5 over 4. All right. Now, according to our order of arithmetic operation, we must multiply before we add and subtract. Addition and subtraction are lower level operations. They're always done last unless they are inside of a bracket. So here I have multiplication and subtraction, and obviously I must do the multiplication first. So when we're multiplying fractions, what we do is we cancel. So 3 into 3 is 1, and 3 into 21 is 7 times. So what we have here now is 7 times 1 is 7 over 5 minus 5 over 4. Now, if we're adding or subtracting fractions and the denominators are different, we must find the LCM. The LCM here is 20. 5 into 20 is 4. 4 times 7 is 28. Minus 4 into 20 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 28 minus 25 is 3. So the answer is 3 over 20. Next question. All right. Now this says 4.1 minus 1.25 square divide by 0.005. So what we have is, what we're doing here is that we're doing a division. All right. Division is a binary operation. When you're dividing, you divide two numbers at a time. So in order for me to solve this, the first thing I need to do is I need to work out the numerator. And when I have one number for the numerator and one number in the denominator, I simply divide the numerator by the denominator. So working it up, I could do it by pieces, or I could just go straight and put 4.1 minus 1.25 square in my calculator. And the calculator says 2.5375. And I'm dividing this by 0.005. So divide by 0.005. And what we have, this is 507.5. 507.5. Let's continue. This says a stadium currently has a seating capacity of 15,400 seats. Calculate the number of people in the stadium when 75% of the seats are occupied. Well, number of people is 75% of the 15,400. If I want, I could work my percentage as a fraction or as a decimal. As a decimal, 75% is 0.75 times 15400. Put this in a calculator. So when 75% of the seats in the stadium are filled, The stadium has a total of 11,550 persons in it. All right, and as I said, I could have worked my percentage as a fraction or as a decimal. As a fraction, it would be 75 over 100 multiplied by 15400, and you would have gotten the same results. All right, so that would have been 75 times 154, which is 11,540. All right, now II says the stadium is to be renovated with a new seating capacity of 20,790 seats. After renovation, what will be the percentage increase in the number of seats? All right, so first of all, let's work out the increase. It would be the new capacity, which is 20,790, minus the old capacity, which is 15,400. So the increase would be in the seating capacity would be 5,390 seats. Now, what would be the percentage increase? Now, ladies and gentlemen, percentage increase is the increase expressed as a percentage of the old capacity. The percentage increase in the capacity is the increase as a percentage of the old capacity. So the percentage increase would be the increase, which is 5,390 over the old capacity, which is 15,400 multiplied by 100. So the percentage increase is the increase expressed as a percentage of the old capacity. So let's go 20 here, 20 here. So this becomes 5390 divided by 154. Percentage increase is 35%. So after the renovation of the stadium, the increase in the seating capacity is 35%. All right, let's continue. This says, a neon light flashes 5 times every 10 seconds. Show that the light flashes 43,200 times in one day. So in 10 seconds, the thing flashes 5 times. Now, what I would do, you can work it up. How much would it flash in a minute? Now, in a minute is 60 seconds. So you multiply both sides by 6. So in 60 seconds, which is a minute, it flashes 5 times 6, which is 30 times. How did I get that? A minute is 60 seconds. All I did was I multiplied both sides by 6. 10 times 6 is 60. 5 times 6 is 30. In 60 seconds, the light flashes 30 times. That's 1 minute. Then let's find out how much it flashes in 1 hour. So in 1 hour, which is 60 minutes. So remember, this is 1 minute here. So in 60 minutes, you're going to multiply the 30, which is the amount of time it flashes in a minute, by 60. And this gives you the amount of time it flashes in 1 hour. So it flashes 1,800 times in an hour. Now, in 1 day, there are 24 hours in a day. So it's going to be 1800, which is the amount it flashes in an hour, multiplied by 24, and we should get the 43,200. Let's see, times 24, and the answer is 43,200 times. So the neon light that flashes 5 times every 10 seconds flashes 43,200 times in one day. And that would be the end of the question.